Okay, so I'm starting my day. I just camped like right over there, not too far. And now I'm off. We left Andover yesterday and we just camped by the road. So we did 12 miles or so. And now a climb, yay! Gotta turn around and go down. Alright, so plans changed big time. Crunch needed to have 20 hours of work done for the month so that he could keep his job. He just needs to have 20 hours every month so they don't fire him. So we're in Tennessee. He's working right now. I'm exhausted. We drove 16 hours. We didn't sleep. We just got in the car and went. Trail Angel picked us up the road. We did 10 miles yesterday. I don't even know what day it is anymore because we didn't sleep at all.
He said something like changing or something. So it finally went through.
They're doing the inspections this week.
Well, that'll be good. So when are you moving?
Roger. Why are you so cute, Roger? Why are you so cute, Roger boy? Oh, yes, Roger boy. Come on, come.